Today, we're going to talk about the events that are very important and notable for us. Every person probably has personal days he or she remembers, the dates when something meaningful happened. Sometimes we mark these dates in calendars with the color red. Sometimes we just keep them in our memory. Let's study how to talk about the date and time when something meaningful happened to you. To ask a person about the time, we should say either, "What time is it?" or "What's the time?" What if somebody asked us? Let's study the ways to answer. There are two common ways of telling the time. Say the hour first and then the minutes. 6:25. It's 6:25. 8:05. It's 8:05. The O is pronounced O. 9:11. It's 9:11. 2:34. It's 2:34. Or we can say the minutes first and then the hour. For minutes 1 to 30, we say past before the hour. 11:20. It's 20 past 11. 4:10. It's 10 past 4. For minutes 31 to 59, we use 2 before the hour. 2:35. It's 25 to 3. 8:50. It's 10 to 9. When there are 15 minutes, we say a quarter. 7:15. It's quarter past 7. When it's 30 minutes past the hour, we say half. 3:30. It's half past 3. We use o'clock when there are no minutes. We say 10:00 like this. It's 10 o'clock. The apostrophe tells us that something has been deliberately omitted. In olden days, they used to talk about hours by saying, "It's 10 of the clock." The of and the were dropped long ago and replaced with o apostrophe. It's 10 o'clock. To talk about time, we usually use the preposition at. At 3 o'clock. To talk about a date, we use the preposition on. On the 1st of September. When we are telling someone about an event, we usually say the time it happened. We might say the season, the day, the date, or sometimes even the exact time. When you give someone an invitation, you should of course write an exact date and time. Oh, you haven't written an invitation letter yet. Let's do that right now with Tom. His birthday is coming up, and he's going to invite his best friends to a birthday party. Here are some tips to make your letter interesting. Start with good news or something funny. Write the exact date, time, and address of the party. Some tips on finding the address more easily might be good. You should mention anything interesting that you can suggest at the party. The main tip is, be polite and friendly. Let's see if Tom uses these tips in his letter. Dear friend, I have some really good news. Fun and joy are coming soon, this week, in a couple of days. I'm happy to invite you to my birthday party. My birthday is on May the 6th, you know, but the celebration will be at the weekend, on the 8th of May. That's this Saturday. The party will be at the local pizzeria called Pizza House, which is opposite the old library. The address is 46 Oak Road. The party will start at 3 p.m. and last for the rest of the day. A bit about the event. It's better to wear something sporty, as we're going to have fun taking part in various games and competitions. Anyway, we're going to have a lot of fun. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Looking forward to meeting you at my birthday party. Best wishes, Tom. Anne and Max will certainly go. They like Tom. What do you think they will give him as a present? Now it's time to practice what you've learned about sharing information about your best memories.